This right here is Google's mid-range and more affordable smartphone, the Google Pixel 3a XL. Let's take a peek inside the box and see what we get and give you our initial impressions on Google's new mid-range smartphone. So inside the box we are greeted with the phone itself, and we also get a USB-C cable, a USB-C to USB-A adapter, as well as a charging brick. Now you also get a starting guide, a sticker, as well as a SIM ejector tool. The Google Pixel 3a comes in two different flavors, a smaller Pixel 3a with a 5.6-inch Full HD display, and this bigger XL version with a 6-inch Full HD display. Now both of these models are OLED as well, which is pretty impressive for a mid-range smartphone. Now it also comes in three different color options, such as just black, clearly white, and a new purple-ish color. Overall design looks very reminiscent of Google's flagship Pixel 3, from the single camera and fingerprint reader in the back to this unibody two-tone design. Now when Google introduced this new two-tone design for the Pixel 3, they were finally able to add wireless charging to its phones. Now we were hoping that Google will keep this wireless charging capabilities from its flagship Pixel 3, but unfortunately that doesn't carry over to this mid-range device. However, we do now have a proper headphone jack, which the Pixel 3 doesn't offer. The Pixel 3a still carries a lot of the Pixel 3's camera traits, such as night sight, which is incredibly useful for nighttime photography, and it also features the Pixel's great photo processing power in portrait mode. Now one missing feature on the camera front is the wide-angle field of view for selfies, but from the looks of it, it's still wider than the iPhone's front-facing camera. Inside the Pixel 3a is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 670 processor, an Adreno 615 graphics, 4GB of RAM, and 64GB of storage. In our Geekbench test, the Pixel 3a scored a single core of 1603 and a multi-core score of 5173. So this phone is obviously not going to be as blazing fast as its flagship brother or Samsung's S10, but it still packs a decent processor that can get you by day to day. The Pixel 3a and Pixel 3a XL is running Android 9.0 Pie out of the box, and in typical Pixel fashion, it's clean. There's no bloatware, it's very minimal looking, and as of right now, it's running as smooth as butter. But we'll obviously see how this performs a few months from now, since Google's Pixel 3 has a reputation for inexplicable slowdowns, so we're expecting similar results with the 3a over time, but again, we'll keep you posted in the next few months. We will be doing a full comparison between the Pixel 3a XL and Apple's more affordable smartphone, the XR, and see how it stacks up against Google's offering. If there's anything you'd like for us to specifically compare, let us know in the comments down below. The Google Pixel 3a and 3a XL is available to order now online or in stores for $399 and $479 respectively. So if you're interested in picking up a Pixel 3a, make sure to check out the links down below. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Mark Linsangin from AppleInsider, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Hey everyone, did you guys like that video? Be sure to click on that like button so we can create content that we know that you guys want to see. And follow AppleInsider on all social media channels. If you want the best prices on any Apple gear, check out the AppleInsider price guide that is updated daily. And until next time, we'll see you later.